Quebec has quietly become one of the most aggressive jurisdictions in North America for funding AI-driven R&D. Joshua, you're in these conversations with founders and finance leaders every week. What's changed in the last year?
A lot. A lot is the short of it all. We're seeing, due to accelerating development and growth in the AI sector, combined with geopolitical uncertainty, a lot of government funding being really pushed towards this sector. And as AI is being seen as a really strategic sector, which upholds sovereignty. So there's almost that technology times sovereignty issue is really being put forward in the public discourse. And it's not just being put forward in the discourse. We're also seeing money matching a lot of those words. So we're seeing in Quebec, e-business tax credit shifting towards an AI-focused tax credit, becoming the CDAE-IA. We're seeing, when it comes to SR&ED at the federal level, we're seeing capital expenditures being reintroduced into the program, and that there are AI applications there, either be it through potentially if companies are purchasing GPUs, if there's additional manufacturing capacity that's associated to AI, or if there are data centers being used for training and SR&ED projects. We're seeing an expansion of overall funding going to AI. And we see CRIC as well in Quebec starting to add some pre-commercialization activities into their SR&ED, into the provincial SR&ED program as well. So there's a lot of funding coming towards to support the AI boom we're seeing here in Canada and in Quebec.
Right. And you characterize that perfectly as a tech plus sovereignty angle. That is the motivation behind a lot of this.